Hello YouTube, and we're going camping. We're going to an ancient woodland. So yeah, I've pretty much set up the tent. So today I've brought the well, the first camp of the year. I've brought the Helm 2 Compact 2. I didn't want to bring my Southern Cross 2 full season because it was an expensive tent, a lot of brambles and flint. So I just didn't want to damage it. So I bought the Helm 2, and so yeah, nearly set up. So yeah, as I was saying, I've nearly pitched up the tent. Then I got all the bits to put up inside, blow my sleeping mat up. But yeah, I brought the Helm 2. Just thought it was ideal for this woodland. Just put the last pegs in. Anyway, I stopped the time lapse because I didn't think you'd want to see that. And I didn't record the journey down here because it's all the same, isn't it? But yeah, it's great to be out again, and I can't wait to set up my seat and just chillax. But yeah, have a look around. Sam's just setting up his tent. Right, Sam's gone back to the van to get his other tent. His other tents didn't fit in the spot he wanted to camp in and pitch up, so he's gone back to the van to get his other tent. But yeah, this is my setup. This is where I am at the moment. You can tell it's quite a lot of stones and dead wood and stuff around, but I think I found a good spot. As you've probably seen in my last video, I've still got my brace on, knee brace, and it's feeling okay at the moment. So still get a bit of swelling and stuff, but I'm hoping that'll go down over time. Not much to film at the moment, I'm just setting up, so but when something interesting happens, I'll bring you back. So new bit of kit I bought is a chest rig. So I put all my electronics and power bank and all things like that in here. So, and it's comfy. So first night out with it. So and hopefully I'll use it in a future video. So peaceful, just what I need. It's been a stressful past couple weeks with moving house and this knee operation I've had. So it's nice to just get out again, and can't wait for more adventures this year, 2026. Can't believe it. Right, yeah, like I said, all pitched up, and now got all my stuff inside. So I've got my trusty Decana OEX stove. Tonight I'm going to cook some roast chicken, pasta, caramel yogurt for later on, some beer, new mug for my coffee and cup of tea tonight. So my sleeping system is the Robin's Serac down sleeping bag. And my new Best Way sleeping mat. And then underneath is just the OEX sleeping pad. Keep a bit of warmth in. Down booties, thermals, and my blow up inflatable sleeping pillow. So looking forward to trying my sleeping mat out again. I've only tried it once, and that was in the autumn, and it was warm then. So in the winter, tonight should be perfect for it. Good test. So yeah, it's time now, 5 o'clock. Temperature's dropped quite a bit. But yeah, we're all pitched up. All we're doing is sat on our chairs just talking really, so there's not much to film. Just thought I'd go for a little wander. Give my leg a bit of an exercise. It's getting a bit stiff. That's a good spot here actually. But yeah, nice little spot. Just nice to get out of the house. I've been not stuck in the house, but been around the house. Haven't really ventured out much for about 6 weeks, maybe even longer, because I've been decorating the new house that we've moved into. But yeah, it's just nice to get out, and I've been looking forward to doing this for quite a while. So, but yeah, temperature's dropped and the lights go in quite rapidly. 5 o'clock, and it's because it's woodland, it feels even darker in here. It looks even darker. But yeah, nice little spot. Me and Sam have just been chatting away. Gonna get the fire going in a minute. Probably cook my tea in a minute as well. There we go. Beer boy.
I'll have beer in a bit, yeah. Yeah, rules and regulations. So, yeah, there's the bush box. Jake sent me in the Tesco's to get some kindling because he couldn't get out of his. It's just,
how are we going to cut
just a load of bloody, well, we just had to snap it with our bare hands, like evens. But it's just MDF, isn't it? I mean, that cost £5 for that. I could have just, popped up the council estate and found an old bloody kitchen cupboard and just snapped that up and used it.
Well, I'm ripping our wardrobe apart, so could have used that, couldn't we?
You could have done, yeah. But that'd be for the future. I'll remember to bring the sound. I mean, look at the bloody starter log. It's bigger than the. It's like a. Not a hot dog down an alleyway, is it? I don't know what. But yeah, it's a bit bulky, isn't it?
Sam's pleased. He's brought a Panacea 1.
Yeah.
Have you used it yet?
Yeah. I did my first solo. No, not my first solo wild camp. I did my first camp of 2025 in it. I just randomly thought, hell, I'm just going for a camp after work. And
you can use a walking pole, can't you, to hold the door?
Yeah, you can use a walking pole either side.
I love that.
Only problem is they've got to be a certain height. So if they go above a certain height, they won't fit when they're compact.
I see. The sun's going down.
Don't let the sun go down on me. Oh, that's a wet one earlier.
Hmm? Yeah, careful. Beer boy.
So it's lucky I didn't bring my drink.
Cheers.
I might have flew up high enough to catch you having a crap behind your tent.
I think it's going to be a calm night. We're not expecting any rain, are we?
Go, because the closer.
Pardonsky. Fire's gone down basically. Made sure it's gone out completely. Yeah, just headed into our tents. Just putting thermals on now. I'm gonna boil the kettle, make a cup of tea, have some snacks, and probably just watch a film. But yeah, we've just been sort of outside, just listening to noise, listening to the owls and pheasants and stuff like that. It's been nice, really, just sat around the fire.
Every other energy drink on the market.
So my sleeping mat had gone down, the best way one, but I think that's to do with the temperature, which has made it go down. So I've blown it up a little bit. Didn't need much, but I'm sure I can feel the heat already. I'm quite warm. I know I'm sitting in my down sleeping bag, but I can definitely feel the warmth. But I'll let you know more in the morning and let you know. But the R value is, I think it's 7.2 R value, so it's pretty good. But I'll let you know in the morning if. So yeah, just in my sleeping bag. Had a couple minutes of the wind picking up, but it's died down again now. So, but no, yeah, we've just been in our tents really, haven't done much. I'll bring you back if anything does happen, but it's now, what's time now? 10:15. I'll see you in the morning. Morning. What's time? 8:15. Yeah, good night's sleep really. Bit restless, but not too bad. Sleeping pad did really well. Hadn't gone down in the night, so I think it was just the temperature which made it deflate a little bit. But yeah, good night's sleep. I think I heard every animal last night. Had some deer, foxes, owls and pheasants woke me up this morning. But yeah, good night's sleep. I'm gonna lie here for a bit. Right, all packed away and left no trace whatsoever. Your rubbish bag can go straight in the bin. Sam's all packed away. And what a lovely night it was. Heard every animal under the sun in the night. But how was your camp? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good, mate. Yeah, nice. I crashed out not long after 10, I reckon.
I think you fell asleep before me, actually.
Probably, yeah. But yeah, I heard the animals and that. I just wish I had Evil Dead. I downloaded, I would have watched that. It's brilliant.
Anyway, watch my video if you want, and watch Sam's as well. I'm sure his is good. He's done a bit of editing.
Tribute.
So, but yeah, lovely.
Actually, this is actually better. This road's in better condition than most of the main roads, isn't it?